realization expenses, dissolution expenses amounted to rupees 20,000. Rupees 8,000 were to be borne by the firm and balanced by Maruti, a partner, and the expenses were paid by Maruti. Total expenses were rupees 20,000 and 8,000 were to be borne by the firm and 12,000 by Maruti, a partner, and expenses were paid by Maruti. All the expenses were paid by Maruti. Then entry will be bearer to paid. Who has to bear? The firm has to bear, but paid by the partner. Then entry will be realization account debit 8,000 to Maruti's capital account. Okay. And next 12,000 owned by the Maruti and also paid by the Maruti. Then no entry. Bearer to paid means Maruti's capital account debit. Who is bearer? Maruti was bearer. Maruti's capital account debit 12,000 to Maruti's capital. $12,000. Then there will be no entry of rupees 12,000. Only 8,000 will be recorded. That is realization account debit to Maruti's capital account. Next, Sudhir, a partner, was allowed a remuneration of rupees 10,000 to carry out the dissolution work. He was to bear all expenses of realization, which amounted to rupees 16,000 were paid by the firm. 16,000 एक्सपेंसेस उसे बियर करने थे, बट पे किसने किए? फर्म ने, अकॉर्डिंग टू बियरर टू पेड. Sudhir's capital account debit to फर्म ने पे किए, तो देन टू बैंक अकाउंट 16,000 and he was also allowed a remuneration of rupees 10,000. इसकी हम अलग से एंट्री करेंगे. Whenever firm allow करती है remuneration to the partner to carry out the dissolution work, then entry will be realization account debit to partner's capital to Sudhir's capital account rupees 10,000. हम इसकी कंबाइंड एंट्री भी कर सकते हैं. Sudhir's capital realization account debit $10,000 to bank account 16,000. Sudhir's capital account is debited by 16,000 and here credited by 10,000. तो हम इसको 6,000 से और क्या कर देंगे, डेबिट कर देंगे. Sudhir's capital account debited by ₹6,000. ठीक है, या तो आप इसकी 2 एंट्रीज कर दें या फिर आप इसकी कंबाइंड एंट्री कर सकते हैं. रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट डेबिट, सुधीर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट. नेक्स्ट, Ravi, a partner, is allowed a remuneration of ₹15,000 for dissolution work and is to bear all expenses of realization which amounted to ₹5,000 were paid by the firm. That according to rule of bearer to paid, who has to bear? Ravi, and paid by the firm. It means Ravi's capital account debit to bank account by ₹5,000, expenses paid by the firm. And Ravi is also allowed a remuneration. Then second entry will be realization account debit to Ravi's capital account $15,000 or we can also pass the combined entry, and the combined effect of this entry will be realization account will be debited realization account debit 15,000 to bank account is credited here by 5,000 and Ravi is debited by 5,000 and credited by 15,000. So we will credit the Ravi account by 10,000 to Ravi's capital account 10,000. Okay, realization account debit 15,000 to Ravi's capital account 10,000 and to bank account 15,000. Next entry, next transaction, Anil, a partner, is to be paid remuneration of ₹20,000 for dissolution work. Realization expenses amounted to ₹7,500 were paid by the firm. First of all, उसको remuneration मिला है 20,000 and entry of this is realization account debit to Anil's capital account by ₹20,000. Next, realization expenses amounted to ₹7,500 were paid by the firm. In this question, it is not mentioned that who has to bear. It is not mentioned here. Then it means if nothing is mentioned who has to bear, it means firm has to bear. It means firm has to bear, and these expenses were paid by the firm. Then entry will be realization account. When firm pays the realization expenses, then realization account debit to bank account 7,500, or the combined effect of this entry will be realization account will be debited by 20,000 plus 7,500, that is 27,500, to Anil's capital account, or to bank account. Anil's capital account will be credited by rupees 20,000 and bank account will be credited by 7,500. Next transaction, Sunil, a partner, is to be paid remuneration of rupees 25,000 for dissolution work, and realization expenses amounted to rupees 9,000 were paid by firm. First entry will be realization account debit to Sunil's capital account. जो हमने उसको रेमुनेशन अलाउ किया है, that is 25,000. And second entry, realization expenses amounted to rupees 9,000 were paid by him. Okay. 9,000 expenses, it is not mentioned who has to bear those expenses. It means firm has to bear. But who has paid? Sunil has paid. Then second entry will be bearer to paid. That is bearer to paid. Firm has to bear. Then realization account debit and who has paid? Sunil has paid. Then to Sunil's capital by rupees 9,000, or realization account debit to Sunil's capital account (25 plus 9), that is 34,000. In next transaction, Vijay, partner, paid realization expenses amounted rupees 10,000, and these were to be borne by him according to rule of bearer to paid. Who has to bear? Partner Vijay has to bear. And who has paid? Partner has paid. Means no entry. Vijay's capital account debit to Vijay's capital account.